Ah, the mysterious world of gut health. It's like a roller coaster ride through your stomach, complete with twists, turns, and the occasional gurgle that sounds suspiciously like a tiny drum roll. Fear not, brave explorer of the digestive realm, for Mother Nature has bestowed upon us a treasure trove of natural remedies to keep your gut happy, healthy, and maybe even cracking a joke or two. First on our quest for gut greatness is the magical world of fiber. Picture fiber as the cleaning crew of your digestive system. They're the janitors sweeping away all the debris and ensuring a smooth operation. Beans, whole grains, and legumes are the unsung heroes of gut health, working behind the scenes to keep things moving, quite literally. Probiotics, the rock stars of the gut symphony, are like the band playing a lively tune in your intestines. Yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods are your backstage pass to the gut concert. They bring balance to the digestive stage, ensuring that the good bacteria outnumber the bad ones. It's like a microbial mosh pit, but with harmonious results. Now let's talk about ginger, the spicy sidekick in your gut superhero squad. It's like the witty friend who adds flavor to every situation. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe your digestive system, making it the superhero costume for your stomach lining. Add a dash of ginger to your meals, and your gut will thank you with a standing ovation. Peppermint, the cool and refreshing herb, is like a breath of fresh air for your digestive system. It's the polite guest at the gut party, easing bloating and calming an upset stomach. Peppermint tea is like a spa day for your intestines, just without the fluffy robes and soothing whale sounds. Hydration, the unsung hero of overall health, is like the refreshing beverage that keeps your gut on its toes. Water is the lubricant for your digestive journey, ensuring that everything slides through smoothly. Think of it as the water slide of gut health, without the need for a swimsuit. Chamomile, the gentle giant of herbs, is like the cozy blanket for your digestive system. It has anti-inflammatory and muscle relaxant properties, soothing your gut with a warm herbal hug. Chamomile tea is the equivalent of a bedtime story for your stomach. Calming, comforting, and with a hint of botanical magic. Fruits and vegetables, the vibrant performers in the gut circus, are like the acrobats keeping things lively. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and nutrients, ensuring that your gut gets a daily dose of entertainment and nutrition. It's the ultimate fruit and veggie extravaganza, your digestive system's way of saying, "Bravo!" Maintaining gut health is a whimsical adventure filled with fiber janitors, probiotic rock stars, spicy sidekicks, and cool herbal breezes. Cheers to a gut that's not just healthy, but also ready to join the digestive circus with flair and a touch of herbal humor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips, remedies, and laughs.